Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming account recovery options. This matters because codes go to those channels. Once you know the recovery email or phone, open Gmail on a trusted device and sign into the account that needs the code. Make sure two-step prompts are expected. Don't click suspicious messages. If prompted, choose the verification method, text, call, or prompt. This first step sets the stage so the code flows to a place you control. Once done with sign-in, pick the verification path you previously enabled. Google typically shows text, call, Google Prompt, or Authenticator. If you choose text or call, watch your phone for the 6-digit SMS or missed call details. Transcribe digits exactly. If you use the Google Prompt, tap Yes on a linked device. It's the fastest and avoids SMS risks. If you rely on an Authenticator app, open it now and enter the current 6-digit code before it expires. You finish by typing the 6-digit code into the Gmail prompt and submitting. Once accepted, you regain access. If the code fails, make sure your device clock is accurate. Authenticator codes depend on time sync, and request a new code after 30 seconds to avoid overlap. If SMS or calls never arrive, use backup codes you stored or start Google's account recovery. This may ask for recent passwords or device info.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.